Suzuki V Strom gas cap. The key to rebuilding, well, just lubricating that latch assembly. The bolts are 4mm Allen head. Some are short, some are long. You can see the different height of the bosses there. I'm probably putting on the short ones first. These are the two screws that you'll remove the latch mechanism. Put some good grease in there, because every now and then the gasoline rinses it out and it gets hard to turn. You'll undo the lid, take off your Allen heads, and it doesn't hurt to keep from dropping down inside the gas cap all the little pieces. V-Strom gas cap renewal re-greasing job.